Hi guys, this is Angel Valdez for week 4 video for the project. This week I'm implementing the forgot recovery password and the products catalog. So if I go to the application and I run the application, the application might not be running. Let me run the web server now. There you go, the application is running. So now we can refresh and the application is running. When I click on the login page, I have a forgot password link, which I click on it and I enter an existing user ID's email and I click on submit. It will send an email for me to recover my password. So if I go there, I have an email with a link that I click on and it will take me to the reset password screen that I can enter now a new password. You can see right now my current password for this user is probably 1 2 3 4 5 or something like that. Yep, right there, 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm going to reset it to a different password. 1 2 3 4. Well, 1 2 3 4. That's fine. 1 2 3 4. Click on submit. So it should have reset my password. Let me refresh my data. Let me close it and reopen it again. View data. Now my new password should be 1 2 3 4 right there. So it worked fine. And the email functionality was sent to reset the password and everything else. Now the second feature is the actual product catalog. So once the user is logged on and it says welcome to the user and so on, and they get to the user profile where they can make changes, the user can also navigate to the catalog where they can see the different products on the catalog, and you can see that on my database I have a products and services table, which in this case I only have a couple of 4 different products that they can buy or rent. So that's exactly what we're looking at. These different products that they can click on the buttons and add to the carts and proceed to the shopping experience. Right now, of course, the whole shopping process is not part of my feature for this week, but that is the idea. The idea is that they will be able to go through and purchase or rent those items. As far as the code goes, I implemented the new I will have to not show the code too much because of the fact that that uses the person's email and password to send and authenticate. Of course, that can be put somewhere else in a configuration file, but for this exercise it was there. So basically those are the routes: the forgot password and reset password once the email comes in, and it allows the person to reset the password. I forgot to mention the tabs functionality for the user profile as well as the catalog. So in code we can see right here that there is a new view called tabs. There's a new view called reset password as well, to allow the user to get the screen where they can reset the password, and also once they reset the password or they log in successfully, they get to these tabs where you're gonna have 2 different tabs. The first one is the user profile and the second one is the catalog of products, and this is the composition of the tabs and the composition of the catalog. Right here you can see how I'm doing a for each on Node.js to repeat, creating a little panel for each product, for each item in the products table right there. So I'm just making a little panel that displays the product price, name, and description, and that's exactly what you see right here when I go to the catalog. You can see the product name, price, and description in these little panels. Okay, thank you very much.